What is happening? I know it's like Tuesday. Or is it Wednesday? Hmm. Got that. Bam. We are here. That's right. That's right. We are here live. Yes. It's actually Tuesday evening. It's not Friday. It's Tuesday. And I am normally on live on Fridays, but I didn't quite make it Friday. I missed it. I missed last Friday, guys, so I sorry. So I'm starting over today. It's a fresh day. But I just felt I had to come and see you guys today because the holidays are here. If you are on my mailing list, you got a email from me earlier today talking about the fact that I will be on live today to talk about some things that people don't like to talk about. Well, you actually talk about it to other people, about other people, but you don't like to talk about it about yourselves or talk about it to the people who are the offenders. I'm going to talk about some bad breath today. Breath, whatever you want to say. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, I'm Dr. Joy Fremont. I'm known in these Atlanta streets as Miss Dr. Lady. But nonetheless, I'm a real doctor. Yes, I am. I am an Atlanta native. For those of you who care about all that kind of stuff, I surely do because I'm proud of my little city called Atlanta. But you all are not here to hear about me. You are here to talk about something that I'm talking about today because I am Miss Dr. Lady giving you my tips for your teeth. Hey, Janine Carter, if you are here with me today, please say hey, guys. You know I love talking to a live room. And I know it's weird because I'm here on Tuesday. Not only is it Tuesday, but it's Tuesday evening. It is dark outside. I just finished work. I know I probably look crazy. I don't even care. I promised that I was going to come on today, this evening, to talk about not being the topic of discussion during Thanksgiving dinner, okay? Because some of y'all offend people. Your breath just ain't right. I'm just going to say it. And people always ask me, Doc, how do you talk to someone about their breath? You're a dentist. Real talk, it's not easy for me to talk about somebody's breath. It's just not, because it's a very sensitive subject. But what I'm going to do is get you together. I'm going to talk about you, how you can prevent yourself from being that person. All right. I don't want you to be that auntie. I don't want you to be that sister, that uncle, that cousin, that friend. I don't want you to be that person who they are talking about because you're going to be around people this holiday season. After the holiday season, you're going to be around people, and even if you're going to spend Thanksgiving alone, at some point you're going to have to peek your head out and come up for air and talk to somebody. Whatever it is, whenever it is, I want you to be ready. So I'm going to give you a few things, some tools to put in your arsenal to get yourself together. You got to do it, guys. There's no excuse for having bad breath. The only time of day that I'm going to allow you to have bad breath is when you awaken in the morning. Dr. Barton said, does that mean lit or does that mean your breath is on fire? Dr. Barton, I love you. Look. Okay, guys. Dr. Roger Barton is on. This is my personal endodontist, meaning I love me some him. He did my root canal. I tell everybody, look, he's the truth. I told you, he's it. So anyway, I'm not so good with the emojis. You have these three flames up. I'm just going to assume that you mean somebody's breath is on fire. That breath is on fire. So what I'm going to do is give you a few tips to get your life together, to get ready. You still have time. It is Tuesday. Most of you guys are going to be either off tomorrow or getting ready for Thursday. you have time, okay? So first thing, get the power toothbrush, okay? Half of y'all lazy, and you have a regular toothbrush, and you don't even touch all your teeth with it. Ask me how I know. I'm keeping it real. If I'm offending you, go ahead and turn this off because I'm talking about it, all right? I'm going to need for you to get a power toothbrush because it's going to help you in the long run. I want you to get a power toothbrush. And yes, size does matter. Ladies and gentlemen, size does matter. I do not want you to get one with the large head. All right. Get one that's small like this, okay? Round, because you want to focus on one tooth at a time. I'm not going to go all deep on you about how to brush your teeth today, but I want you to understand a power toothbrush is your friend, all right? You want to brush your teeth at least twice a day. Get off of the internet researching to validate what you think about brushing and say, I'm going to do it once a day because they tell me to do it once a day. I'm telling you to do it twice a day at least, all right? Twice a day. Brush your doggone teeth. There's never an excuse for skipping brushing your teeth. Never. If you wake up late, the one thing you're going to remember to do is wash your behind and brush your teeth. Why am I saying these things, right? Floss. There's no secret. Floss works, all right? And I'm pulling this from a little box of floss. I'm not taking it from a little bag of 1,000 floss picks. I've told y'all over and over, stop using those floss picks, okay? Now I'm going to tell you why. You always tell me, oh, it's so convenient. I'm flossing. You have that one floss pick that you're taking from tooth to tooth to tooth all around your mouth, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and say, imagine when you're using the bathroom, like doing number 2, one piece of tissue paper or toilet paper. And you wipe over and over and over again with that same piece of toilet paper. Doesn't sound so cute, right? That's what you're doing with the floss picks. You're basically smearing that same bacteria all over your mouth. You take it from this tooth and you're taking it over here. You're putting it here. You're putting it here. It sounds nasty because it is. Don't use floss picks, guys. Everything that's cheap is not worth it. Use some good old floss because you're going to take that stuff out that was in there a long time ago. That was in there yesterday. All right? You're going to take that stuff out that should have been going yesterday or Monday or Sunday or Friday. You're going to take all that out of your mouth. Take it from in between your teeth because what happens if you throw some food away in the trash can and leave it there for 4 or 5 days? It's going to stink, right? So why do you think that it won't stink in between your teeth? Hey, I'm just keeping it real. I'm trying to get you ready for Thursday. This discussion, this is not even late night. It's the middle of the night discussion about getting your life together, getting it ready for Monday. No, for Thursday. It's Tuesday now. You got time. If you don't own floss, get some. If you own floss picks, throw them away. All right? Now, if you have braces or if you have a bridge, I'm going to need for you to get, this is the Gum Floss brand. I don't care what kind of you buy. I really don't. But I'm going to show you these little floss threaders, okay? You have to use these. If you have braces and you're not flossing, you know if you're my patient, I'm talking about you. And I'm telling your mama. All right? You need to go ahead and use your floss threaders if you have braces or if you use a bridge. Because guess what? Food gets trapped down there too. It does not smell good. You think you're hitting on something. Yeah, you're hitting on something, all right. Some bad breath. Floss your teeth. Brush your teeth. That's just 2 things, okay? Now, you know I live and breathe by this tonic. All right? Tooth and gum tonic. If you have ever used this, I know somebody on this video has used it because I know who you are. If you have used this, say something. Give a shout out for it. I use this every single day myself, okay? This tooth and gum tonic is the truth. It will get you together for real, all right? Now, I know some of you are traveling. You're saying, I can't take that big old bottle on the plane with me. Go down to the dollar store, get a small little bottle, pour some of this in there, and now you have your travel container, all right? Before you take it, before you put it in there, make sure you gently turn it upside down. You want to go ahead and mix all those particles together. Don't shake it really hard. Gently, gently, gently toss and turn it, and then pour it into your to-go travel container, all right? Now, be careful. This is a glass bottle, okay? These are natural oils and all kind of good stuff in here, and it has to be in glass. So don't toss and turn it, and then it drops on your bathroom floor, and then it breaks, and then you're mad at me because I told you how to do it. I'm not going to buy you a new bottle. Hey, you know what, guys? It's Tuesday night. I'm going to keep it real. It is what it is. All right. Tamika Milton Brown says she loves that tonic. Right. Okay. Roderick Barden, what's in it? I'm glad you asked. Okay. Water. Vegetable glycerin. That's all natural. Extracts of echinacea. Go-to cola. Essential oils of peppermint, red thyme, cinnamon bark, eucalyptus, lavender, and some more plants. Okay. It's in there. I'm gonna tell you, it doesn't look all that great. It's like a beige color. I absolutely love this. Lavanda, you can purchase that here at my office. You cannot buy it in the stores. Now, you can buy it on Amazon, but it costs more. I'm telling you, it costs more on Amazon. But you can get it here if you're in Atlanta. This is the truth. Hear me clearly. I don't travel without it. I don't leave my house without using this. If I do not use my tonic and if I run out, I buy some more. I do not like how my mouth feels if I don't use tonic. And I think Tamika Milton Brown can attest to it. This is everything. I use it for my patients who have periodontal disease instead of chlorhexidine because chlorhexidine stains. And Roderick Barden says it sounds like air freshener. It is. It's going to freshen the air around your mouth. All right, because around here stinks if you don't use it. All right, so like, use this. All right, that's what it is. All right, so you can talk about my air freshener if you want to, Roderick Barton. You know I'm gonna come back with you. All right, this is air freshener for the mouth. Okay, so next we have the Breath RX. Now, I use all this stuff every day, guys. I'm telling you, do not go to Thanksgiving dinner with some funky mouth. Please don't do it. Don't do it. Breath RX. Now, I brush my teeth. I floss my teeth. Then I use the tonic. I'm not making this stuff up. I promise you. If you had a video camera and watch my morning routine, I brush, I floss, then I use my tonic. After I do that, I use the Breath RX. I done brushed the teeth. I rinsed out my mouth. Okay, and I use this for about 30 to 60 seconds. It's strong. I'm telling you, it's not for the faint at heart. It is strong. Or strong, if you're from the A. It's strong. It's very powerful, okay? And it's great. After I do that, then I clean my tongue. Okay, I'm going to tell you, if you clean your tongue before you use that tonic, it ain't going to feel too great. It's going to burn. I'm just telling you, you're not going to feel good. But some of y'all into that stuff. So if you're into it, and if you're into the burning tongue, go right on ahead. Reverse my method. But if you're a lady like I am and don't want your tongue to burn, tonic first, all right? Then you're going to clean your tongue. Do you know how much bacteria is on your tongue? Imagine you brushing your teeth, right? And you don't clean your tongue. Come on. You got to get it in, all right? So the Breath RX comes in two, I say strips maybe. One side says regular, one side says soft, all right? Now, a lot of you all use the tongue scraper and you scrape too hard and your tongue starts to bleed. That's not what we're trying to do, all right? We're trying to get that surface and a little bit below the surface, get all that bacteria out, all right? Now, I'm going to put this real close because I need for you to use a serrated, bumpy one. Some of y'all say, oh, I use one that's smooth. It ain't doing nothing. It's like sweeping some shag carpet. All right? You're just getting the top layer off. If you swept some shag carpet, do you know how nasty it is underneath that layer? It's still dirty, right? Heck yeah, it is. Now, I know I might be dating myself. Do they even still sell shag carpet? Somebody still has it in their house. Start sweeping that shag carpet and come back with it again. And then vacuum. That junk is still dirty. So if you use a smooth tongue scraper, you're not doing anything. You're just playing with it. Let's get real with it, all right? Use your tongue scraper, all right? Get this. Bend it. These little holes right here are for your fingers to go through to hold it. And then scrape with it. Go back as far as you can without gagging, if you will. All right. Some of y'all don't have a gag reflex, and that's fine. But if you do, go back as far as you can and scrape. And then guess what? Look at it. If it's not clear, that is showing you what's on your tongue. Rinse it off and do it again. All right. This particular box comes with 2 of these, and these are good for a month. Don't use these for 8 months, guys. These are good for a month. They are reusable. Rinse them off and put them in the same cup holder that you possibly use your put your toothbrush in. This right here is the spray that comes along with it. If you don't use the spray, at least use the tongue scraper. It goes hand in hand. Oh, it takes too much time. It takes too much time in the morning. I gotta brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Then I gotta floss my teeth. Then I gotta rinse with tonic. Then I gotta clean my tongue. Don't do it then. You don't have to do it. But I guarantee you, if you don't do it, you will be a topic of discussion. This takes no more. I'm giving it 5 minutes, if that much. And that is not a lot. You have 24 hours in a day, right? And you have 60 minutes in an hour. I'm just asking for 5 minutes. Your mouth is asking for 5 minutes. That's nothing. You all spend more time watching me right now on Facebook, right? You spend more time on Netflix, watching the Disney Channel, the Hallmark Channel, watching Real Housewives than you do on taking a little bit of time and cleaning your teeth, okay? Hey, I'm trying to keep you from being the topic of discussion on Thanksgiving. It's going to be 2 questions. Who made potato salad and whose breath stinks? I'm just telling you like it is, all right? Let's not, it hope it's not you, all right? Now, if you have Invisalign or you happen to wear a clear retainer, clean it. Do not have the grungy retainer, because guess what? You walking around all day with your Invisalign. We have this stuff. It's called white foam. It used to be called Everfoam, Eversmile. This is foam. Put this foam in your retainer or in your Invisalign tray and put it in your mouth. It's going to clean your aligner that you're walking around with all day, smelling funky because you never clean it. It's going to also freshen your breath. Hello. And slightly whiten your teeth. I'm trying to help you guys. If y'all think I'm playing, this ain't a game I'm playing. I know how y'all come in here. I'm trying to help you. Last but not least, if you happen to have a sleep appliance, good old Dial soap. I know, Dial soap. Good old antibacterial soap. There, I have this because it doesn't have a scent. Don't use the flowery Dial soap, because you have to put it in your mouth, right? And it's going to taste like perfume, and it's not a good thing. I have a sleep appliance, and I use one every day. You have to use a Dial soap to clean it. You put it in your mouth after a long day, and it's funky. I'm just trying to help you. I'm trying to make sure that you're not the one they're talking about. All right? So, or B, brush your teeth with a power toothbrush, right? Floss with regular floss, not the floss picks. If you're using floss picks, I know who you are. You don't have to tell me. You should feel some kind of conviction in your heart. I use the floss picks. Throw them away. Throw them away, all right? Use your floss threaders if you are have a bridge or you have braces, right? Use the tonic. Rinse your mouth out, okay? All of these things can fit in your overnight bag with the exception of the large bottle of tonic. Put it in a small container that you can get from the dollar store. I shop at Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. Come on, I get it in. I get stuff from there. You can too. But if you're too bougie to go to the dollar store, go right on over to Walgreens, CVS, Target. They sell them too. More expensive, same doggone thing. But put some of this tonic in there and take it in your carry-on. If you're like me, who travels a lot, but I don't like to check my bags. I don't pack that much. I put everything in my to-go bag, and it fits, okay? The Oral-B has a travel case. Floss takes up this much space. The floss fitters take up less than the floss, all right? If you have the Eversmile for your Invisalign, this is small. This is what? I don't know how many ounces. I don't have time for that right now. But whatever it is, it fits. You have no excuse to have the best smelling breath. If they have a contest on Thursday for whose breath smells the best, please win. And give me a shout out when you're on the award stand. Say, Dr. Fremont taught me. She told me how to have fresh breath. So you can tell your friends how to follow you and have fresh breath for the rest of their lives, all right? So I hope this helped someone. Yes, I'm still in Hapeville right now. I told y'all, we work hard at Fremont Dental. I'm still at my office right now, and it is almost 8 o'clock. I got to go home now, right? I'm going to do all I told you all myself. I'm going to brush, I'm going to floss, I'm going to rinse. I'm going to use this by appliance. I don't have Invisalign, so I can't use this, but I got all the stuff that I want you to use too, okay? We do carry these products. We don't carry the Dial soap. I don't carry that. But all that I talked about, you can purchase that here with us. Most things you can purchase in the store. I know the tonic, you cannot buy tonic at in a store. I think they do sell it probably on Amazon, but like I said, it's more expensive there. Just come on down to Fremont Dental. Give us a call. If you know you're going to purchase it, you can purchase it over the phone. We'll put some to the side because we always sell out. If you are a Fremont Dental patient, you know we sell out. We cannot keep this stuff on the shelves. I'm not lying. I'm just telling the truth, all right? So, I am Dr. Joy Fremont, Miss Dr. Lady, coming to you from Hapeville with Miss Dr. Lady's Tips for Your Teeth. Call me, 404-761-1659 with any questions you may have. If you have a comment, leave it down below. If you watch this live, please say something down below. Say hey to me. If you're catching the replay, please put replay. If this helped you at all, please let me know. If it didn't help you, I don't even care. I really don't. But if you know somebody whose breath ain't right, just share. Just share this with somebody who you know. You can tag them or don't tag them. If they're your Facebook friends or Instagram followers, just share this along the way. It's going to help somebody, all right? But if you don't feel like you want to tell them, I will. I'm just that girl, all right? Hey, Tanya. All right, so I'm about to head out of here. Have a great Thanksgiving. I may come back on. I may not. I don't know. But have a great Thanksgiving. Have a safe travel wherever you're going. I'm grateful for all of you all. So if you have nothing to be thankful for, be thankful for this video. All right? Take care. See you later. Bye.